Hey there, Dan here. Is your Chevy's check engine light stuck on even after fixing the problem? I'll show you 3 proven methods to reset it yourself. Let's get started. Method 1. Ignition cycle reset, the simple method. This is the easiest method that works on many Chevy models. Step 1. Insert your key in the ignition. Step 2. Turn the key to the on position for 1 second, then off for 1 second. Step 3. Repeat this on-off cycle 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles. Step 4. On the 4th turn, start your engine normally. Step 5. Drive for a few minutes to see if the light stays off. This method forces your Chevy's computer to re-evaluate the system and often clears minor glitches. Method 2. Battery disconnect reset, the classic method. This is the old-school approach that works on most Chevys. Step 1. Turn off your engine and engage the parking brake. Step 2. Pop your hood and locate the battery. You'll see positive and negative terminals. Step 3. Using a wrench, disconnect the negative cable first. That's the black one with the minus symbol. Step 4. Press and hold your car horn for 30 seconds. This drains any remaining electricity from the system. Step 5. Wait 15 minutes. This ensures all stored data is cleared from the computer's memory. Step 6. Reconnect the negative cable and tighten it securely. Step 7. Start your engine. The light should be gone. Note, this method will reset your radio presets and clock, so you'll need to reprogram those. Method 3. OBD2 scanner reset, the professional way. Third method uses an OBD2 scanner, the most reliable approach. You can get one for $20 to $50 at any auto parts store. Step 1. Locate your OBD2 port. It's under your dashboard on the driver's side, usually near the pedals. Step 2. With your engine off, plug the scanner into the port. Step 3. Turn your ignition to the on position. Don't start the engine, just turn the key to power up the electrical systems. Step 4. The scanner will boot up and establish connection. Press the read button to see any stored error codes. Step 5. Write down the codes if you need them for reference. Step 6. Navigate to the erase or clear function on your scanner. Press it to delete all stored codes. Step 7. Turn off the ignition, unplug the scanner, then start your engine. The check engine light should be off. Important warnings. Before trying any method, check your gas cap first. A loose or damaged gas cap is the most common cause of check engine lights, and simply tightening it might solve your problem. Never reset the light to hide a real problem. If the light comes back immediately after resetting, you still have an active issue that needs professional attention. After resetting, drive your Chevy for 30 to 100 miles to complete the drive cycle and ensure all systems recalibrate properly. But remember, only do this after you fix the underlying issue, not to ignore a real problem.